Let's go and make this Lumix video. Lippity bippity. Yeah, I feel a little bit better. I've been sick, Jim Lee. I've been sick. I'm not mentally sound right now. Like, I feel like a worthless person. I mean, I've kind of let stuff go. Like, I need to clean my office. My office is a fucking travesty right now. And, like, I don't know. Like, I've put on, like, 25 pounds since May. I don't know, I'm just not happy with... I'm not mentally happy with myself right now. Dog, I've gained 25 pounds since the Boogie fight. And like yesterday fucked me up. Like I tried to work sick yesterday. I made like $12 and like I'm not mentally recovered from that yet. And it's like right now I don't want to stream right now. But I don't want to sit here and do nothing for 9 hours and go to bed without making money again. So, like, I'm in that situation as well. Jake Myers can be banned. No, it's not ranked. We probably won't be able to get a ranked team. So we'll probably play casual for 2 hours and then go back to sleep. I never want to be on camera. So at this point, like, the camera's off until I feel like it's worth my time to be on it. I hate the way I look. So, like, I don't want to be on camera. Yeah, I've been on camera for years because I thought it made me more money. That's the only reason I keep the camera on. I don't want to be on camera. The whole idea, like, I started putting myself on camera was in an effort to make more money and get more interaction. I wish I could change this fucking heart. Like, just disable it. Matter of fact, go through and ban everybody that's not actively talking. Because, like, there's people, like, spamming the like and fucking heart messages and stuff. If anybody that's not actively talking, just go through and ban them. Well, it's just, like, I'm just, like, the dudes that sit here silent are the guys that constantly that dislike the video and stuff. Like, if we get rid of those guys a couple times, maybe I can start getting my likes back without having to constantly have, like, a 30 to 70 like to dislike ratio. No, I'm not in a bad mood. How about this? Everybody that's here, like the stream. And after you like the stream, say that you like the stream. Anybody that doesn't like the stream, just ban them.
Loading mag!
Come on. Ban Hell and Fire, please. We only got 37 likes. We got 163 people in here. Looks like a lot of people are going to be getting banned. I wish there was a way I could ban off of this list. Oh, Brandon, we're almost half an hour in. I haven't made $1 yet. Well, Zenith, if you don't like the stream, fucking leave. Matter of fact, just ban Zenith 1337. Ban Summer Fruit Drinks. Ban Charles DGAF. Go ahead and Riots can be banned. Crazy Freaks can be banned. Carl on Wheels can be banned. RYTHUS, that guy deserves a ban.
5 seconds left. All friendlies were eliminated. Failure.
Thank you, UK Camrines. I don't know what I do to be your favorite streamer. I'm mentally unhealthy. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, being up early so great. Toasty STG can be banned. A Pepsi Max can be banned. So can me ZYG. I don't drink coffee. I drink Coke and water. That's it. It's either water or soda. Ban K21, please. Currently have 182 viewers. We have 44 likes. Please like the video. If you don't like the video, please leave. Honestly, I don't even want to play video games at this point in my life. Like, I play video games because my body's a fucking waste of space. And it hurts to move. And it gives me something to keep my brain active. What I want to do, as little as humanly possible. No, President Python, I don't. I think I'm a fat man that isn't happy with his life. And sometimes it slips through. The only Saw movie worth watching is the first one. Everything past Saw 1 sucks ass. Rush B, no stop. Are you planning on donating towards that camera goal? I'm gonna give Rush another minute or so before we ban him. What's good, Duckus? Nothing really, dude. Like, I'm in a situation where it's like, I did so poorly yesterday, and I'm sick still, and like I'm at the point where like I have to work even if I'm sick, because like the boogie stream can't carry me any further than it has.
Be ready to engage.
Like it bought me enough time to like take a little time off to try to recover, but like yesterday fucking ruined me. Yeah, I should go spend money when I made $12 yesterday.
Evil eye deployed.
That's exactly what. Like today so far we've made about $20 after all the taxes and fees come out. So yeah, let's go seek doctor's care. Never made enough money to go on vacation. Like I had a house payment when I was 19. And like from like 19 to like 33 or something, I had a house payment and car payments and stuff like that. And now like I just don't make enough money to even save money, much less go on vacation. I try to limit myself to like 1 tank of gas a month. So like I don't go to places like the beach or things. I only drive the car when it's absolutely necessary. I've got COVID-19, dude. Like I have a fever. I got a headache. My head feels like a vice. It is what it is. No, I'm not crying. I just don't. I can barely talk because my throat's sore. Dirty Dave got me. No, but people like June the King are bottom feeders, dude. Like, they make content on other people because they can't create content on their
Friendly
own.
drone deployed. Op 4 is reinforcing its location.
And YouTube rewards them for it. What I say to haters, fucking nothing. Yeah, Jumbo, just imagine that you know that you're gonna have to pull like a fucking 9-10 hour fucking day today to try to make the money
5 seconds left.
so you can make your bills next month. Come on, really?
Be ready to eliminate
Face and
hostiles.
fuzz, probably not, man. Like I'm gonna be on here until I make my goal today, which is $250. So like I'm probably gonna have a long ass fucking day on Rainbow to begin with.
10 seconds left.
So I'm just trying to get myself ready for the fucking long haul.
5 seconds to insert.
Looks like this stream's getting deleted.